I think you are searching about watch repair magnifier, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality watch repair magnifier. Need free shipping watch repair magnifier. Looking for magnifier having two-wearing manner? Looking for watch repair magnifier having higher observing distance? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best watch repair magnifier. Number 1. ZEAST watch repair magnifier, and the feature is material, optical glasses plus plastic. Feature, lightweight, portable, durable, anti-skid protection rubber gasket, comfortable touch. Style, wearing style. To wearing manner, glasses and head strap. Observing distance, 20 to 50 millimeters. Let's go for number 2. VAHIGCY watch repair magnifier, and the feature is material, ABS plus acrylic lenses. Magnification, 8, 15 and 23 times. Lighting source, 2 LEDs. Style, wearing style. Size, about 175 into 155 into 55 millimeters. Let's go for number 3. Easyover watch repair magnifier, and the feature is material, ABS. To wearing manner, glasses and head strap. Observing distance, 20 to 50 millimeters. Lens diameter, 21 millimeters. Magnification, 10x, 15x, 20x and 25x.